Awesome, awesome. Good morning, good afternoon. Such an amazing moment and an amazing time together again. Super excited this morning. Super excited this morning. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. One-on-one session with Mr. and Daniel. We've done a lot. We've done a lot, but we just need to end up with intermediate stage so that we can move it to advanced. I have a lot of stuff loaded for us in the advanced. I have a lot of stuff loaded. I want to blow your mind. A lot of stuff loaded in the advanced stage. A lot. Did you notice something this week, sir?
I didn't trade at all, sir. I
But
wasn't trading.
Did you follow up?
No.
We had a fucking zero loss.
Wow.
Fucking zero loss.
Wow.
I am back on a research. If I used to have 1, 2, 1, 2 out of 20 trades, 1, 2, sometimes 3, 1, 2, 23 trades, we had a fucking zero loss. I was back on a research, and it was market behavior and market features and characteristics. Market behaves. So that is in the advanced stage. You can't be understanding that one year still that other one is in the advanced stage, and it's really helping us. Combining that with price action. Oh my God. So I did a lot, and I'm still testing it. My hypotheses are still out. My questionnaires are out. I've surveyed them out. I'm still testing it. So I'm still testing that behavior. It's another new lesson entirely. How market will behave, and we are at social moment, time, hours, periods, and everything. So it's about a mastery key. The master key that you know to say. No. Even though you do a double pattern, it will not say. That's what market behavior. You see where every market would have done a double pattern. Yes, you keep taking away all this thing and think about that. That's market behavior. Those things we're not caught by it. So I'm like, no, it's not yet. Stuff, certain research, man. This stuff we need to do. What's that stuff and accuracy and signal providing techniques. How you can know the right signals and everything like that. It stocks in the advance. Fully loaded. A lot I will be taught. And I'm teaching. I want to release this in the last end. That will be the advance. I wanted to tell you during the introduction class, but I knew I can't understand. If I introduce that to you, when you're doing introduction, then I just know when you get to advance, I will reveal it to you. That's my secret. I just believe mentors give stuff to their mentees. And then mentees have the tendency of becoming more than a mentor. Why? Because mentors deposit everything they know to their mentees. Am I talking, sir?
Yes, sir.
Their mentees have the tendency of becoming much more than them. Because mentors hand over everything they know, except the mentor is withdrawing anything. I don't want to withdraw anything. I don't want to withdraw anything. I want to cook you totally, sir. Cook you totally. I don't want all those. There are many intermediate traders out there. They will call them FX. Everybody calling their head name. I hate that thing. I follow one of my mentors. I wasn't do that stuff. He made millions of dollars before he could call himself FS. That's what I want to do. Let me make millions of dollars. Not all these years, small millions. I'm not talking, sir. Yes, sir. I'm not a millionaire. I beg. Maybe we are in dollars. Then I cannot call myself FS. Talking, sir. Actually. And you know, this, I'm not retire. I don't retire. Just make the millions in dollars. Then we can call up myself. All these intermediate traders all around. You see them on WhatsApp. Or they post their shots. They are intermediate traders. I know you're seeing them now. I'm not gassing anybody. I'm just saying that. Everybody's FS. Oh, God, FS means when somebody say FS means someone who has gone through the stage and is achieving something from this stuff. Then you have become an FS. That's what FX. For me, that's the definition of FX for me. But person just starts, not even they call it FX. So everybody now sees you. What, for example, now, if anybody stands up and says, I'm a first student, what will come to your mind instantly? I'm making money. No, be so. Is that not so? Hello, sir. Are you with me, sir? If anybody, if you're in the community, if you're in a gathering, and someone just stand up and says, I'm a first student, what will come to your mind instantly? What will come to your mind, sir? The first thing that will come to mind is what? Hello, sir. Are you there? Hello? Hello, can you hear me, sir? Hello? Hello? Hey, network. Hello, can you hear me? Oh, network. It's bad. Have to stop. Network is bad. We have to stop for you. So why we do that? This is our live picks channel, where we teach you and show you how you can trade perfectly well. If you're not just watching this for the first time, I want to urge you, please subscribe to us so we can values. Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you now, sir.
Oh, I guess your network was cut off.
Yes, sir.
Where do I stop?
Yeah, about intermediate traders bragging on WhatsApp.
That's it, Jerry. My brother, I can just say everybody on the post. For example, if you're in a gathering now and someone stood up and said, I'm a first trader, what the first thing that will come to your mind?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. I said, well, normally once anybody stands up and said, I'm a forex trader, what do you do? I'm a forex trader. Wow. The first thing that comes to our mind is that this guy is making what? Is making money. Let me so.
Yes, sir.
To see it. So forex trader means destination of forex trader means the designated part that which you are making money. So even though if you are starting afresh, you do call yourself forex trader. I don't know, just my own perspective. I know it's simple stuff, but you can show the result. When the result is boom, should you be trying to fake it when it's not even boom? You get, just make it simple. When you sound like that, people always, I'm making money. You're a billionaire. How about teach me now? That is how that thing works. It's not like a job that you can say, I'm an engineer. So people not just think as if, yeah, oh, nice one. Nice. So what do you do? What class are you working on right now? I'm a doctor. That's it. So what we say in voice to that, people picture what the designated part. People picture the end result part. These guys making. That's what people picture instantly. Whereas you just start, you're even name yourself or intermediate. So actually, that's by the way. I just think that's by the way, though. That's because I don't want it to remain that. So many people remain in that. So a lot. You see many people too. Many people want to get traders now and they do a research for them, categorize them. You see many as into that room or intermediate. Many are fucking there because it takes some little stuffs. It takes some little stuff to move from that place and deliberately to advance. I stayed there a long time. You go tell. You know yourself. You have moved from there. I stay for there. You go take. I stay for there. It's always in a stage of this thing. It's always every stage in life. There's what they call learning curve. What they call learning curve in life is a stage. So there's a stage that is meant that is precede to the final stage. It's always hard. No, it's always normal. It's a stage in life. It's always normal. You will spend more if you are not deliberate, if you're not intentional, you spend more time there. You spend more time there if you're not intentional. Because once you scale, you are done. just like a river. To cross it is over. It's gone. Cross it over. Cross it over. Anyway, that is for that, Jerry.
Yes, sir.
So that I'm sure I'm much more ahead of Mr. Mali. And then you'll be able to see a lot of stuff in the advanced stage, a lot of stuff. And then the stuff I wanted to review to you, that would be the advanced. That would be the advanced. One of my secrets already advanced. I'll just tell you everything so I could help you. Everything, give everything over to you. And then so it could help a lot. So it will help a lot. If you want to start your own signal or anything, so it will help anything like that. So it will help you a lot, whichever way. So, so that is it, Jared. So this week was a crazy one. We did had a single loss. A single was there. I didn't even do all these stops. Where would they do so? I didn't even put all this buy with them. So I put it safe. All this buy what they do. We took it by a year. I will milk it so by a year. I don't even put them safe. All this stuff. I didn't put up. Sometimes I don't know how to put up. I'm trying. I don't know how to put up. So that we will get a buy. Yeah, I shall miss you to get to this place. Okay, and yeah, you came down. No, yeah, we're not here. Not here. Better than yeah, yeah, 1 year. Oh, so that's for that, Jared. That's about what we should fall. So that's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. And the market's still buying. Man, that's crazy. So I will be bringing some of those stuff to you. The crazy one, market behavior and market characteristics. The crazy one. But we need to be assured that you are fully done with your intermediate. Intermediate is crazy. It's a stage that many traders stay longer there. It's a crazy stage. It's a crazy stage. That's why you see some people still sorting for mentorship, still sorting out for this thing, for their still intermediate. It's a crazy stage. Yeah. It's a crazy stage. It's a crazy one. A crazy stage. That's for that. We didn't do it today, so there's nothing to do. It's a trading journal to do. So we cannot do a trading journal. But let's look at what we do today. Let's look at what we can do today. Let me give you a task. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I love to be getting feedback when I'm talking. Awesome. We do a lot. We don't make this one safe. Never put up. You make this set. You make this buy. Hey, never put up safe. You know this you make am. This guy say you make am. No put up. I don't put up. I don't put up. I start this way. I've started putting it now. I don't put them. It's our long patterns. You put them. You move them. But I know where it will get to. She gets her. I know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because I don't
because of the legs.
Yes, sir.
I said because of the legs.
Exactly. I know where to get to. I know where to get to. So once I know that this is go from here, I know that you get to it will take away this next cycle and come to it. Once it's another cycle, I will take my profit. I don't even care. This step, I took my profit around here. I didn't even care if it's still going up. But I know this is something. This 2 cycle level is something that will get there. So I wasn't even sure that it will come to this third one. Around this spot, I took my profit. I left already. I left. So I know where to, at least it's something that it will get to and leave. You can't be willing to move the market from A to Z. Now, by that, if you are trying to, a time will come, the market will just, the market will show a back. About show, let me so. They will show a back. Yes, now you expect it just come shocking to you. Bam! So we want to make everything happen entirely. So okay, anything that just happen, so that's why you can come to a certain place that you know that's sure it's certain you can get here. You can either move or stop or but here if you get there that way. So I think we're talking around this point. All these ones are just watching it. Just watching it. Just watching it. So that is for that, man. Maybe I'll start putting all these things. I put sell here, to sell here, to buy here, to sell here. I took a lot of and this GBPJPY this week. A lot of market and look them all crazy. We killed it all. This one that Mr. Wale is not here. We always wanted to do the new topic together.
It might be available by night.
By night, okay.
He's always going to farm on Saturdays morning. I've noticed.
You guys spoke, ba? Okay.
Yeah, I've noticed this.
Okay. Did you guys have a session together or not again?
Same thing. I didn't receive any text.
I will show you guys.
Although what I told him was that, yeah, the intermediate class, I said I might be off for some time because I'm on a project right now.
Okay.
That I might not get the money for it right now. That any time he needs me, he should contact me. That's what I told him.
Anytime in the evening. And did he contact you in the evening?
Anytime he needs me, that I'm
Okay.
always available.
And did he contact you? Did he reach out to you? Because
He
because
actually reached out
look, I will sue. Okay. I want to sue. Okay.
on farm, like he asked me like something pertaining to fish. That's all we talked about.
So FOREX, now they talk fish. Now not talk FOREX. Now they talk fish.
Mhm.
So did he reach out concerning his class, his makeup class?
Oh, not at all, not at all. And I told him anytime he needs me, he should feel free to text me. I didn't
I will
receive
show both of
anything.
you with that. The Bible say, if person no find person go, person I rather take am. If this no find person go, this go. I rather take am. I don't forget that thing.
He's supposed to text me, sir.
Teach me that thing. Remind me that thing. If person no do this thing, this one will do this one.
If Mohammed not go to mountain, mountain will go to Mohammed. Okay.
You definitely do. Mountain will go to
Yeah, but
Mohammed.
this,
None of you will do that.
but pertaining to this, he should be the one to text me.
Exactly. Actually, but I actually compared him. And he was the one that was even more talking to more. So you will serve. I will sue you for just 1 week.
I think
sue you for 1 month.
what is actually happening right there is that he's finding money. He's finding money to trade for now.
Than knowledge. Okay.
Sometimes, sir, it can be dicey.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I've been there. Sorry, a minute, sir. A minute.
Okay, sir.
There's something I would love to say, but I don't know if I should say it on record. It's okay. This thing about devotion, though, I devoted my time for it. I wasn't making money, and I was devoting my time. But maybe because I was doing something else at the other time, I was doing something alongside. When I quit my job, I wasn't making money. I devoted my time to it because I needed the knowledge. Because I once been there too before. I know how it means to lose money when you don't have knowledge. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't have the knowledge. Now, when millions are still millions in Nigerian time. Now, every million is not useless.
And one thing, sir, it's not just easy to quit any other job for it because you don't have the assurance yet. You are not sure of yourself.
Exactly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's the determination stuff. Yes, sir.
And right now that dollar is at
that's it. So if you have, I have something else I was doing at the same time, just a little one, maybe. So, but I was devoting more of this to it that time. So I thought I was doing the other time. So I was devoting more. It is well. I was devoting more to that. So, but I believe I still much believe in leisure time. There's still be leisure. No matter how busy they work, wish. There's still a time you still be free. Those free time, utilize it. That's my own concern. That is my own concern. No matter how person they busy rich. Even rich man they busy. No matter. There's still a time for leisure. Leisure. That's it. Like I was telling people, sometimes when I was in school, I won't have time to read. Sometimes if it is church, when I have to go to church, and I don't say I still get meeting man no cover. That church period, I know go church. And I go church well. I won't go church if that is say I get like 2 paper for and I don't read. I never read one. And we ask the week I don't travel, go do business, go do this one, don't travel. So if that's time of this thing, I'm not trying to say it's not good, but that time of church, I can see how many churches to many Sundays to attend church. Let me so. But if I did, even church, I don't go celebrate you. Church, they go even call you, they go even share with you. Are you still telling me I failure? So don't just say that. If the time of 3 hours, read well. I don't read. I need to read. Then next week Sunday, I will go to church. I just see it as a time to buy time additional to what I can do. So if people don't see me in church, don't say, this one must be, it could be something. I don't think that is it, my brother. It's good. That's like they cite some things. So I believe in time, buying of time with some things that can actually pay some things for that moment. And then later on, those things will not fall in line. That's what I just believe in. So buying of time. That's what I just believe in. And then measure. That's what I believe. So that's what I believe in. Instead of every time they go to see now, farm himself well. Not farm himself well. Is there every time he used to go to farm? He has got strategic himself and he talk with you. Now you say, "Go your papa, Oga, what did happen? Oga, what did happen? What did happen? Tomorrow, uncle. Ah, that's tomorrow, uncle. And what did I think? Oh, you for the way your papa. Now you for the way your papa now. Now you for the way your papa now. Until you leave, until you bless me, you won't go. If I do like this thing now, if I do like what's it called? This guy in the Bible. Until you bless me, you won't go. This guy in the Bible, what's his name? What's his name? What's his name, self? What's his name?
Jacob.
Jacob. I said, JJ. Jacob. I said, bless you won't go. Okay, I turn you to Israel. Yeah, now Israel. If for the whole arm, if you bless me, you won't go. Until you teach me this thing, you show me the way. I'm not gonna go. As well. It's exactly now. Yeah, it wasn't the it's okay. As well. It is wrong because he has more from him. No, it's fine. We've done a lot of talk today. Let's do something, sir. Let's do something.
Okay, sir.
So, sir, I want to. You were not wrong. You were not right the last time we did something. I don't know if this setup looks too good, but let me see. What can you do with this setup? Give me a trade setup on this setup. For example, I want to trade instantly, and then I want to trade it a long time. Let me see what you can do first. Give me a setup on this. Okay. Let me see what you can do. What are you seeing in the market? What can you do? What is stuff you can tell me in this market? Just lecture me. I'm starting from daily. Just
on a long time setup.
I don't know. Just lecture me anything you know about this setup. Just lecture me.
Okay.
Yes.
This market
I want to know
has been on downtrend, but it has by a little bit. But still, I'll still be looking for a
sorry, hold on. Sorry, remind me, sir. I want to do a new topic once Mr. Wale is with us. Is that clear? So maybe we'll do candlestick, right? Have we done candlestick?
No.
Probably done depth inside it. Okay, maybe we'll do candlestick. We'll finish up and maybe we'll end up very well on candlestick. I think we have done this. We've done candlestick, and then I still want to teach you guys psychology as well. So maybe once it's in class together, remind me if you guys have done your own part together, remind me that we want to do a fresh topic together. Thank you, sir. You can go ahead.
Sir. Yeah, this market generally is still on the downtrend because it's still yet to take out the high. So that's what I will look at on this time frame. Then I'll move to a lower time frame for my price action. I use 4 hours for my price action to check.
A downtrend. Okay. Go ahead. You go to what?
4 hours. 4 hours. So on 4 hours, I'll check for my price action. And I can see the market is finding it difficult to break the high. Break the high, which you have drawn out the something. But even if you don't draw it out, I can see that because I believe like I trade price action many times before looking at for my conferences. I can see that it's yet to break out the high. So what I should be looking for is a sell market. And on the high too, like on the zone, I can see a psych level. I can see a psychology level right there. So what I'll be looking for right now, if the candle does not break above the zone and the psych level, I'll be looking for a sell market because I believe the market will come down and form a pattern for me right there. So generally, I'll be looking for a sell market now. A sell market. And if the sell market comes down and break the support, I'll keep on selling, but I will look out for the action right there. I will look out for the action, what the market is doing. I'll look out for the action. But right now,
If the sell market does what?
if the sell market continues, if it breaks this support,
Which support?
if it break
Which support?
the
At
support,
what price?
the support at 193.87. That support.
19 what?
190.
Space. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
That's 190.
If we break that level, I will continue, but I will look out for the action on that. But right now, I think the market will come down a bit, then go up to form an M pattern right on the zone and on the psychological level. Yeah, it might come down to like the trend line that you drew. It might come down to 191.000. I will look out for that too. But generally, I will still go for a sell market, sir.
We have a sell immediately here, or when we have a sell? When we have sell? When?
Let me go to 1 hour, sir. Okay. 50 minutes, sir. Yeah, I would enter for sell around one. Go up, sir. Go up, sir. I want to choose the up, higher. Down. Just right below the zone you drew, sir. Yeah, down, more down. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'll be looking for sell around it. Yeah, I'll be looking for sell around there. But I can see a head and shoulder forming there. Probably it forms well. Then I'll take my sell. That's how we trade this. But I'll wait for confirmations though. So that's it, sir. That's how I'm to trade this. Are you there, sir?
Are you done, sir? Are you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I say you are right and you are wrong, will you accept with me?
Of course, sir.
That's why I said yes, you are intermediate. I knew all the things that you said. I knew your bias that will come. I knew everything. I already know. I don't just confirm. I knew your bias. I knew everything. That's why I said you're intermediate. You need to move to advance. Now look at the market. That's what intermediates will always see. It's normal. Everybody will see that. Look at the market. Look at the market. This is the market where I taught you market price action. It has been doing this price action and it came back to this level. It dropped a week. After a week, it came. It make a low here, which is what a lower to this high. Let me so.
Yes, sir.
Then the market came. Bam on that low. Let me so 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Let me so.
Yes, sir.
Good, sir. But yet that is a third version. Good. Now, are you saying something at this point? What I say? I should say that afterward, open your eyes and be seeing everything. Let me open this today. Those that big so you can see them. Can you see, sir? You can only see this one. One, second, third bars, second bars and third bars. Good. But can we see this one too as well? Hey, by price action. Let me see this one. Can we see this one at all? We're only seeing this one. Let's see this one. After the market rejected this and come back to this point, what the market do? What's this, sir? This is an I, right? This is an I,
okay.
Right?
Okay. That's an high.
What? This is an I, right?
Yes,
this
sir.
One, Abi? What is this? This one?
Equal low.
No, now this it goes here high, then it come back to the one and do what is this?
Lower high.
Then another one is doing what?
It doesn't take out the higher, the high. It doesn't take out the high. It's equal high. It doesn't take it out. It's just to take it out.
Equal high, right? Another one is what?
Yes. You can't say that is also like it's just low. It's a higher low. Higher low.
Higher low, thank you. It's higher than this low. Not be so. Then the third one is what?
Equal. It's still equal.
Now, good. That's no. So now we have interpreted the two sides now. Hi. That is you need to understand. Let me go to further and show you. So intermediate will not see that. Intermediate, so with this, you assume as I assume that okay, the market wants to sell. Let me see. But if I tell you that the market will buy, will you agree with me, sir?
Yeah, it might buy, but
no,
I will
show you. I'll give you proof. No, it's mine. It will break every buy. However, your right is also there. As I say, your right and your wrong. It will sell first before you buy. It will do a small sell. I will cover for you now.
That's the reason why I said the
but you sell overall, the sell. You are waiting for overall. You market do. That's the same thing you just told me.
That's the reason why I told you I will stay glued to my something because I can see some zones too. I can see the zone. You know, I talked about the trend line. I talked about the trend line first. I talked about the zone second. That it might bounce off of anything. But if anything like that will happen, I will need to see confirmation that.
For me alone, saying structure, I know that it's nothing like the sell will come, the shop will come, but it's in the long run, it's a buy. That's what I want you to be understanding.
Okay.
That's what I want you to be understanding. Like, see the structure alone. Just know there's this. There's another structure like this. I'll give you a book. I'll teach. I'll teach you a pattern, drawings pattern. Just study all those patterns. Once you see the pattern, you just know. As I told you, I once told us that once I see a pattern in the market, I'm going to analyze it. Just know it's the same. But I have treated it over and over and over time. That's what I want you to be knowing as well. But you just even need to set analysis or set on something like this. The pattern. I've seen this pattern before. It will buy, to short, to long. The things I want to do are the things I want to be professionalism. Yes, sir, I'm with you. Professionalism. By seeing alone, I already know this is it. Let me show you another pattern of this. This is what the market is being pointing here. Now watch it this week. It will come down and do it and buy and break out. Let me show you. I'll show you something and I'll show you an alternate angle to this as well. And what it's doing. Let me show you why it's doing this and why to break, why to buy. Let's go. After the market came back, he did what? My talking, sir. He did what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hi. Hi, hello. Hi. Hi, hello. Hi.
More or less equal, not too higher like that. Equal and higher to equal high. I just told you that you should always have your answer in two forms. Higher high, but equal in same shape. Always give it
almost equal.
There's a point that you have to give two answers for 1 point. That is what you are clear. Because what I will not mark you right. I'll still mark you low. I should tell you that. So you have to be giving two answers. That shows perfection. This is what?
Higher, but almost equal. It looks almost
this
equal.
This is what?
Lower high. Higher high. Lower high. Almost equal, but it's still. Let me see very well. Remove the cursor, sir. It's still equal. Let's say equal.
All are equal. You see, all equal highs. Good. This.
But right there, I'll be looking for a sell market there.
Okay.
Yeah, a bit sell, bit sell, but it didn't sell at all. I'll be looking for scrapping, like to scrap sell.
This.
Yeah, right there.
What about this? It's what?
It's equal low.
This.
Higher high.
This.
Lower high.
This.
higher low.
This.
It has broken the pattern, like it has broken this the buy market. It's not turning to sell. It's lower low.
This.
Higher low.
This.
Equal low.
It's not finished yet.
Sir.
Complete the answer, sir.